Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate a job changeover going from a regular type collet to an overgrip collet. Notice all the covers are on the machine. You don't have to access the back side of the spindle at all. I'll start the timer. It's easiest to remove it in the open collet position. Get the screwdriver here and back off the screw half a turn. That's all it takes. And then unscrew the collet, the micro grad wrench. There we go. Remove that collet. Get our overgrip collet that we're going to use. Install the overgrip collet. Oh, before putting it in, put it in the closed collet position. All installation is always done in the closed collet position. Don't forget that. And then with the overgrip, you tighten it until the collet is tight. As soon as the collet won't spread in anymore, notice it remains open. We'll open the collet. Now we'll tighten it in approximately 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 turns. So we'll go, that's 1 turn, 1 1/4 plus. Then we'll close the collet. Then we put the gauge pin, that's the diameter of the part, into the collet. Then we will tighten it onto the gauge pin to find our zero clamping position. That's it, it's tight there, that's our zero clamping position. Back it off 1/1000ths to remove the gauge pin. Take the gauge pin now and go back in with the wrench and set our clamping force. In this case we're going to want 2/1000ths of clamping force. Then use the locking screwdriver. And we're set and ready to roll.